Today I'm show you what happened if the engine is overfilled with motor oil. Let me show you in my car. It's overfilled with oil. Here's the dipsticks. See the oil level? Way up there. Up here. Supposed to be here. Now my oil is feel like way up here. So let me try again and show you. See all the oil way on the top? Right there. Way on the top. So what happens if the engine is overfilled with oil? Let me show you. Let me start the car. Let's see. See all the bubbles? Oops. All the bubbles forming. On both sides too, not just on one side. Check it again. See all the bubbles? So what it does is, I heard about like your engine overfilled with motor oil, and when the car is running and the engine is running, it may create air and bubbles, and which will cause problem with the frictions, increasing the frictions of the engine, and may worn out the engine. It become metal to metals hitting each other. So this is, I heard about that, but now this time I've seen it. So how do I take out the oil? Should I go down underneath the car? Or is there an easier way to do it? Today I'm going to show you the easy way to do it. So this is what I got, one of these. And I use it to do my brakes, bleed my brakes. And this is a pump to pump the liquid into the bottle. And make sure this part is pretty long, at least longer than the dipstick. And let me show you how you do it. So take out the dipsticks. Okay, insert this. See that? All the way down. And this thing is 4 ounces. And I start pumping. See that? So just keep pumping until you're all done, okay? Try to get as much oil as possible. Remove the cap. And drain out the oil. And just keep doing it until the level is correct. So this is how much oil came out. So put it back to it. This is my third time. Another one full of oil. See how this? Let's check the dipsticks. It's perfect. Right there. So now you know that's the right level. Let's try to start the engine and run it to see if there's any more bubbles. Now the oil level is within the range. So let's start the car and see if there are any bubbles on the dipstick. Oh, there's no bubbles. See that? Check it again. See, there's no bubble. Don't see any bubbles. Alright, thanks for watching.